Our next topic under techniques of self-development is the stages for self-development. What are the steps towards developing yourself? Reflect. The first step is to be aware. Self-awareness is the first milestone towards self-development. How is that? Self-awareness. That means when I'm fully aware of where I stand, where do I want to go, what are my goals, what are my strengths, what are my weaknesses, what are the barriers in me reaching my goal. Until and unless I am consciously and fully aware of where I stand, I cannot engage in further self-development. Self-awareness is the first step towards developing oneself. The more aware you are of yourself, of your strengths, abilities, capabilities, aptitudes, the more informed you are of the opportunities around, the greater scope for self-development. The next step towards self-development is self-acceptance. Having improved your awareness, having been fully aware of what your strengths are, what your opportunities are, where you lie, drafting your plan, be it your personal or professional plan, and how do you wish to go about it, the next step in self-development is self-acceptance. Reflect back on the first activity we did, the SWOT analysis. Why did I ask you to pen down your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats? That's the first step towards consciously being aware of what your weaknesses are. Well, we all have certain qualities which I am fully satisfied with and I can hone those skills, but there are some other qualities that I'm not fully satisfied with. Some weaknesses that I can work on and work them into turning them into potential strengths. Those are the qualities I need to embrace and accept with my open arms. That is self-acceptance. Accepting myself, accepting my thoughts, emotions, and actions, taking full responsibility of who I am, what I am, and how do I wish to go about further developing myself. That's the second stage of self-development. For example, say you have a job opportunity coming your way. However, you would need to be more proficient in a language because your client is Japanese. What do? You are aware, and having been aware of that particular opportunity and having been aware of the fact that you need to hone your skills in a certain language, you work towards it. Your action would be you enroll in a Japanese course or you enroll in a program and master that language. That will add on to your resume. That will increase the probability of you taking up that job. That is self-acceptance. This is how you end up being in sync with your thoughts and emotions, and automatically they come up in your actions. The third step towards self-development is self-actualization. Now, having been fully aware of myself and having been accepted all my qualities, the next high point is self-actualization. Self-realization can also be referred to as realizing my inner potentialities, my capabilities, my aptitudes, my attitudes, which have not fully surfaced. Having been fully aware of who I am and accepting myself and deciding to actualize myself and working towards it, you are now on the path of being a more confident individual.